Okay, so we're looking at polygons, and in particular we're looking at how they are classified and how you actually classify them. What's really important here is you refer back to the key ideas, and I've already got part of the key ideas here that's going to be really important to us, but it's also important to have the rest of it on hand. So a part in the key ideas talks about what it means if one's convex or non-convex. So a convex polygon has all vertices, and up here you can see what a vertex is. It's where two points meet together, are pointing outward, and all interior inside angles are smaller than 180 degrees. So up here, this is a convex polygon because all of these vertices are pointing outwards, which means that the inside is going to be less, that inside angle will be less than 180 degrees. Down here, obviously, we have one that is pointing inwards, okay, which makes it a non-convex polygon. So let's go back to our questions and have a look. Question 5 says, state the type of polygon and name it using the vertex labels. Okay, so over here we've got polygons classified by the number of sides they have. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So it's a quadrilateral, okay? And we could name it A, D, C, B. It's an important point. When you're naming them, generally speaking, polygons are usually named with capital letters for each vertex and in succession. So clockwise or anti-clockwise. All right, so just go around in either, whether it be clockwise or anti-clockwise. So we'll go back to our question. So this one here, it would obviously be your quadrilateral, and we'll name it A, B, C, D as well. Okay, so in your book, setting it out, it's going to be quadrilateral. Okay, just like that. We'll have a look at the next one as well. So first of all, we count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So we come over to our classification. It's going to be pentagon, and we'll name it A, B, C, D. If we had to go back to 5A and say, okay, is it convex or non-convex, it would obviously be a convex polygon, because all of those sides were pointing outwards, and whereas B, it's going to be non-convex because one of its vertices is pointing inwards. All right, and it is a pentagon, and it's named A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Have a look at question 8 here. So in question 8 it asks, draw line segments to show how you would divide the given shapes into the shapes listed below. So in A it asks me for 2 triangles. Okay, so it's given me a rectangle. So I'm just going to copy that rectangle out. Obviously in your book I'm sure you would be using a ruler for this. Alright, there's my rectangle. I need to make 2 triangles. Now the rules are I can draw line segments. It doesn't tell me how many line segments I'm allowed to draw, but obviously the fewer you can, the better. So in this case I need 2 triangles. So I'm just going to draw a line from that corner all the way through this corner. Now I've got 1 triangle and 2 triangles. Let's have a look at B. In this question it says, and this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so it's a hexagon. Okay, this is a hexagon, and it's asking for 1 rectangle and 2 triangles. Alright, so I need to copy out my hexagon. Just move my book a little bit. Drawing shapes is not my strong point. Okay, so my hexagon looks something like that. Once again, try to use a ruler if you can. So I need one rectangle, so I'm going to get 1 rectangle going from there. So that's my rectangle, and they are my 2 triangles like that. Okay. Any problems in this chapter, always refer back to those key ideas.